I have been on my period for 4 years straight, and here are the 3 main things I have been diagnosed with in that time and that I am currently being treated for as a way to try and fix it. The very first thing I was diagnosed with when looking into this problem was PCOS, which is now PMOS, which is an issue with your hormones, your ovaries. You get cysts on the ovaries, it kind of sends your hormones all wackadoo, it has issues with your metabolism, and it can affect your bleeding, your regularity of your periods, your heaviness of periods, again, cysts on your ovaries. It's just overall not very nice. It can affect kind of your entire body. And that has been, I've been diagnosed with that, but it is not the cause, as all these things I am being treated / have been treated for, but the bleeding hasn't stopped. So these aren't the causes, but I thought I would let you know about them just in case you are going through similar and would like to look into them. Next up, I was diagnosed with a bicornuate uterus. So your uterus should be one big chamber, roughly like this. Mine is a little heart. It's 2 separate chambers. And again, this can cause difficulties with bleeding, carrying children. I have miscarried in the past twice. Obviously my bleeding is all whack. I get really bad cramps. It can cause lots of different things, but again, it's been ruled out as the cause. And last but not least, the major problem that could be contributing, but again is being treated, but hold on, I'll go into it first and I'll explain, is I have something called endometrial hyperplasia, which means that the lining of my uterus, instead of being very thin, which it should be, is very thick. And after having biopsies for it, having cameras shoved up into my uterus through my hoo-ha, which was very unpleasant multiple times, it's not nice, the biopsies show that I have precancerous cells, which mean that they are not cancer, but they could turn into cancer, so I have to get that regularly checked. And the main treatment for that is a IUD, which I do have. I have had an IUD now for over 2 years, and it has significantly lightened the bleeding. I am very blessed in that my bleeding most of the time now is very, very, very light. It used to be like day 2, every day, heavy clotting. It was horrible. I was soaking through pads in like 20 minutes some days. It was awful. But now most days are very light. But I have this incredible doctor who saw this. Sorry, I'm so sweaty. It's very hot. The incredible doctor who saw me talking about my bicornuate uterus and my endometrial hyperplasia reached out to me and said that she has had amazing success with putting an IUD in both chambers of the uterus. Where you usually have one, you have an IUD in it and it fixes, you know, the whole thing, the endometrial hyperplasia. It brings the lining down.